Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is part 2 of lesson 98, practiced set and starred problems. We're on starred problem number 21 here. We didn't get to finish this in the last one, so let's see where my cursor is. There we go. So we were solving for x. What we did was we said small triangle over big triangle. So we did x is to 30 as 20 is to 50. We're solving for x. And x is equal to 600 divided by 50, which I think is 12. But I don't trust myself. And I am right. Okay. So that's 12. That's the first thing we were supposed to find. And this is equal to 12. And then we need to find y. So we're going to do small is to big again. Okay. So let's see. Let's do 16 is to y, and we'll do 50. Actually, this is big to small. My bad. No, it's not. I had it right. Good gravy. Because that's small, that's big. So this is going to be 20 over 50 again. That's a 20. Okay, so then we cross multiply. 20y is equal to 16 times 50. 20y is equal to 16 times 50. Is 800. Can't see my cursor. There we go. And then that's going to make that y is equal to 40. So we have x and y. It says then find the area of the smaller triangle. So let me change colors here. And we're going to find the area of the smaller triangle. We know that the area of any triangle is 1/2, or any right triangle for that matter, is 1/2 base times height. Really, any triangle that we have the height of, we can do that with. So my base is 16. My height is 12. So 1/2, 16 times 12. So I get 192. Let me divide that by 2. It's 96. So that's the area of the smaller triangle. Then it says, calculate the scale factor from the smaller triangle to the larger triangle. And I can do that, so that's 22. I can do that by going small to big. And again, I can do the 20 is to 50. And then I can reduce. So my scale factor is 2 to 5. Okay, so these are my two-step problems. We're not going to check it. The first thing that we have to do is either add or subtract. We're trying to get m by itself. So I'm going to get rid of this 8. What I do to one side of the equals, I have to do to the other. My -5, m comes down, 8 goes away. My equals comes down, 20 minus 8 is 12. Now I have to either multiply or divide. I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, actually the negative reciprocal. And then 12 I'm going to put over 1 so I can multiply it by the negative reciprocal. Those go away. M is equal to 12 times -5 over 1 times 3, which is -60 over 3, which is -20. Okay, let's change colors here. Again, this is a two-step problem. The first thing we're going to do is either add or subtract. We're trying to get x by itself, so let's get rid of this 2.7. To get rid of the 2.7, we have to do the opposite. So we have to add it. This goes away. My equals comes down. This is going to be 11.7. And then we're going to multiply or divide. We've got to get rid of the 0.3 to get the x by itself. So 0.3 divided by 0.3 is 1. 11.7 divided by 0.3 is 39. Where is, okay, there it is, 39. Okay. Oh, that's it. Alrighty, so if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.